Delivering projects with built-in client feedback loops is one of the most effective ways to keep your projects on track and ensure that clients are satisfied with the end result. This approach not only improves communication, but also creates a more collaborative experience for everyone involved. Stick around until the end because I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, plus share a special tool that can help streamline the process. The first step to creating an effective feedback loop is to set expectations early on. From the get-go, explain to your client how feedback will be collected, the frequency of reviews, and how you'll incorporate it into your project timeline. This is crucial to prevent scope creep and delays. By setting these expectations up front, you ensure that both you and your client are on the same page. Next, establish regular check-ins. This could be as simple as weekly or bi-weekly meetings, depending on the project scope. These check-ins allow clients to review progress, suggest adjustments, and address any concerns early before they become big issues. You can do this through video calls, emails, or even project management tools where updates are shared in real time. Whatever method you choose, consistency is key. One of the best ways to deliver projects with built-in client feedback loops is to use a tool that lets your clients review work as it progresses. This software allows you to create a live workspace where clients can leave comments, ask questions, and give their feedback on specific deliverables. By having all communication and feedback in one place, it's easier to track changes and ensure nothing is missed. The software we'll be using in this video does exactly that, and I'll tell you more about how it works shortly. But it doesn't stop there. To keep clients engaged throughout the process, encourage them to provide feedback at multiple stages, not just at the end. For example, after each milestone, send them a summary and ask for their thoughts. This helps avoid last-minute surprises and keeps clients feeling involved. Plus, it shows them that their opinion is valued and that you're committed to delivering a project that meets their needs. Now, here's an important tip. Always document and share your feedback process with your client. If they provide feedback, make sure it's tracked and updated in a shared space. This way, you have a transparent history of all client input, and it's easier to address any questions that might come up later in the project. Once feedback is collected, don't just take it at face value. Ask clarifying questions if something isn't clear, and make sure you understand the why behind the feedback. Sometimes clients will provide feedback without fully explaining their reasoning, and understanding their perspective is essential to making the right adjustments. Another key part of this process is responding to feedback in a timely manner. Nothing frustrates clients more than having to wait for responses. Set a clear time frame for when they can expect a reply to their feedback and stick to it. Quick responses show that you're engaged and value their time. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. It's available only to my viewers, and it can make your feedback process smoother and more efficient. You'll find the link in the description below. Key takeaway. Delivering projects with built-in client feedback loops is all about setting expectations early, keeping clients involved at every stage, and responding to feedback promptly. Remember to use tools that facilitate seamless communication and always ensure transparency and clarity. To recap, set clear expectations, use regular check-ins, track feedback in a central place, ask questions for clarification, and respond quickly. Take full advantage of the free trial in the description and start implementing these strategies in your next project.